G'day everyone, it's Chris O. How you doing? What I'm doing here, where's my third title? Oh, here. What I'm doing now is, my knee pad got caught. Right, I was doing this on Friday and the bathroom next door, I was doing the walls. So here's the walls that I was doing. I've got to go around the top yet, but I'm gonna stay in here until I finish it, and I'll pop next door. This will take me, I don't know, 3 hours I suppose to finish it off. So we'll start. Where's my trusty pencil? Gee, that's tight. I better take a bit off there. Let's just cut 3 others. I'll use them somewhere else. Let's go a little bit bigger. Bit more room. 3 of those. This I haven't glued in, it's where my waste is going. This one. So all I do is take it up. Where's my knife? Haven't got my knife here. The other day when I was doing the floor, I didn't have the 2 floor wastes for here and next door. So what you do is I just dry laid it and I clipped it. So now I'll just clip it back with glue on it, and we're laughing. But last thing today, I'll cut my waste in, and then I'm not standing on it or anything like that. So let's cut 3 of these suckers. If I would have had the waste, the owner was supplying the wastes, which he's dropped them off over the weekend, so I can do them today or tomorrow afternoon, whatever. No big hurry, no big rush. It would have been nice to put them in as I went, but I didn't have them, so that's that. So you put your gauge on. I've got 2 others to cut. That's 1. Two. I just oiled up my bar this morning, wiped it off with a rag, so it's nice and lovely. They collect dust. The bars do collect dust. There's nothing you can do about it, just keep them clean. The owners are doing up this this small house. They're a young couple. They're living at his parents' place at the moment. Poor parents, and he's doing it up in the weekends and every chance he gets. So this is where he's up to, and I'm doing the bathrooms for him. He's bought a cheap shitty Australian made tile. There's nothing you can do about that. it'll come out all right, but it's not the tile that I would have chosen. Anyway, he knows that also. Let's just cut a square hole for our tap, for our toilet tap. This is what I use a lot instead of a tape. There's a piece of tile. I always do a square cut to the toilet tap because it has a larger flange on it, sort of a chrome flange, and they're a bit bigger, so you can get away with a square cut. Sights down. DIYs, you might have to mark it on the back. I don't have to, I've been doing it long enough. If I can't sight down now, whack it out from this side. Don't whack it out from that side because it could chip it. Always go from the front and hit it back, and then you're laughing, and you got your square, your nice neat square hole. Ooh, it's tight. Buzz off clip. There we go. That's good. Oh, that's good.